And the Deadlude strikes again. Rotted through the mount. What's up, YouTube? This is Dan, the Prelude Dude, and I'm here today. I'm going to show you how I removed my rear sway bar on my 96 Honda Prelude without even taking off the wheels. And as always, if you like what you see, go ahead and tell me and hit that subscribe button, please. Thank you. Now let's get started. Well, there you have it. Managed to pull it out without actually taking any wheels off. Just raise the rear of the vehicle a little bit. Just take a little pressure off the suspension. Gave me plenty of room. The whole reason why I took it off. Here's a good visual representation. Here's the subframe of the vehicle, and then here's the mount. So, rotted right through, was making a nice hard slap sound on every bump I took. I'm going to be going down straight lines, so don't need a rear sway bar to go straight. It was just a little bit earlier than I felt like getting rid of it. Now, if we come to speaking about weight savings, it's maybe 15-20 pounds. It's not an incredible weight saver to remove it, so if you are looking for a track vehicle that can corner or still your daily vehicle, then do not remove the rear sway bar. If you have the same issue as me, repair it. Me, I don't have to repair it. I'm not worried about it. I'm just going to stop the rust where it's at and seal it. Alright, so after driving the vehicle, pretty fun. Gotta say, I don't mind not having a rear sway bar. I kind of like how it feels in a corner. It feels like there's less understeer. Obviously, feelings are not facts. I cannot prove it, but that's how I feel. With it being done, like I said earlier, it's maybe 20 pounds. I mean, if you add some bolts to it, it's not that much weight saving, so the car isn't that much. I mean, it's not faster. It's not gonna be faster by removing weight. The top speed of the vehicle is still the same. That's a matter of gearing and RPM, and, well, tire size. However, what I have done with everything I've removed from the vehicle is I've created a better sensation of acceleration. There's less weight involved in moving, so with that being said, it's more efficient in moving. So, gets up to its top speed quicker. Is it faster? No.